Fired by an insight, created a conglomerate. Fired by a belief, shaped a nation. Fired by a thought, sculpted a masterpiece. Fired by imagination, molded to perfection. It is said, imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited to all we know and understand. Imagination embraces the entire world and all there ever will be to know and understand. At Gujarat Glass, we are fired by this imagination to mold to perfection. Founded in 1974, Gujarat Glass is owned by the Piramal Group, having a total turnover of almost $1 billion. The Piramal Group is one of India's leading business houses with interest in pharmaceuticals, healthcare, and financial services. Gujarat Glass is a world-class, fully integrated packaging solutions company. From a humble beginning, Gujarat Glass has grown to a USD 160 million company, exporting to over 52 countries worldwide. We have manufacturing facilities in Flat River, Mays Landing, and Williamstown in the USA, Kosamba and Jambusar in India, Ratmalana near Colombo in Sri Lanka, and a coloring facility in Enfield, UK. Gujarat Glass has marketing offices in Mumbai, Colombo, Paris, Enfield, Sao Paulo, and New Jersey. We are driven by an ambition to be the globally most preferred provider of glass packaging for the pharmaceutical, perfumes, and cosmetics industry by continuous value addition and superior customer service. This ambition has made us the leading supplier of glass packaging to the pharmaceutical giants like Pfizer, GlaxoSmithKline, Sanofi-Aventis, AstraZeneca, and Merck, to name a few. And cosmetic and perfumery companies like Revlon, L'Oreal, Avon, Unilever, Dell Labs, Elizabeth Arden, and many more. The Flat River facility in Missouri has 8 lines of Type 3 Flint bottles for the cosmetic and perfumery, pharmaceutical, liquor, and food products industry. The Mays Landing facility in New Jersey has a PVC coating line for chemical bottles, and the Williamstown plant at New Jersey has 5 lines for value-added services like coating, coloring, printing, gluing, and sleeving. The Ratmalana plant in Sri Lanka has 3 lines with 1 coloring forehearth for pharma and specialty products. The backbone of our success has been the 2 manufacturing facilities at Kosamba and Jambusar in India. Both these facilities are strategically located and connected to 3 major seaports. The Kosamba plant was set up in 1974 to cater to the specific needs of the pharmaceutical and cosmetic industries. This facility has 5 furnaces with a combined strength of 18 lines. 3 of these furnaces are dedicated to pharmaceutical requirements with capacity as follows: 75 tons per day Type 3 amber, 40 tons per day Type 3 flint, and 25 tons per day Type 1 amber and flint. The other two furnaces cater to requirements of the cosmetic and perfumery industry. They have capacities of 35 tons per day Type 3 flint and 65 tons per day Type 3 flint. The facility manufactures both United States Pharmacopoeia or USP Type 1, 2, and 3 amber and flint molded glass bottles and vials. The plant runs 24/7 with the help of 1,800 dedicated workers and 240 skilled management staff. The facility is backed by a natural gas-based 7.5 megawatt captive power plant, catering to all its electricity requirements. The plant is backed by a mold design and manufacturing unit. This unit is equipped with machines and trained personnel capable of developing around 21,500 new molds per year. The new product development team ensures new products are developed in a short span of 4 to 6 weeks' time. The Cosamba facility manufactures a wide range of products for the specific needs of the cosmetic and perfumery industry. The products range includes bottles for nail enamel, perfumes, skincare, jars, foundations, fragrance oils, miniatures, etc. Gujarat Glass also provides value-added services like frosting, coloring, printing and coating of bottles. Moreover, we also support our customers with an in-house design studio. The design team is made up of experienced industrial designers who develop custom-made concepts for our clients. The Cosamba facility also has a dedicated training center that trains all new and existing employees on a continuous basis. This ensures an average training of 3 man-days per personnel every year. Keeping in mind the increasing demand for our products for the cosmetics and perfumery, pharmaceuticals and specialty products market, we have commissioned a new plant at the Cosamba facility. This plant, when complete, will have a capacity of 100 tons per day of Type 3 flint bottles. The second pillar of Gujarat Glass's success is located at Jambusar, 70 miles from the Cosamba facility. This plant is the largest single location facility with an effective, well-connected internal supply chain, enabling excellent customer service performance and the expertise to support in-house customer development. This new and modern plant has been operational since July 1998 and is spread across a sprawling 67 acres, 18 acres of greenbelt. The plant has a Zippe, Germany manufactured batch house with a capacity of 450 metric tons. Its furnace from Horn, Germany has a capacity of 230 tons per day and melt area of 82.8 square meters. This furnace feeds 6 IS machines, with 4 of them having 10 sections each and 2 having 8 sections each. 3 out of the 6 lines at the Jambusar plant have controlled room facility. Here, we manufacture no-wash category bottles. The temperature, humidity, airflow inside the room, and microbial count of the finished product is strictly monitored in these controlled rooms. The entire process of manufacturing at this facility is monitored from a dedicated control room to ensure smooth functioning of the entire plant. This facility is dedicated to the manufacturing of glass bottles for the needs of the pharmaceutical industry. The plant manufactures USP Type 3 amber glass bottles and vials. The Jambusar plant is operational 24/7 under the watchful eyes of its 1,000 employees. A 3.2 megawatt dedicated captive power plant supplies uninterrupted electricity to the entire facility. Moreover, the Jambusar plant also has a mold manufacture setup with capacity to produce up to 8,000 molds per annum. Quality is a way of life at Gujarat Glass. Ongoing activities like Six Sigma ensure efficient quality control. Every glass bottle manufactured at Kusamba and Jambusar goes through 5 levels of online quality inspection. The first inspection happens at the IS machine, immediately after the bottle is formed. At this stage, a line operator, with the help of the quality control checker, does the hot end sampling for the dimensional checks. Hot end wear reject is an automatic process to ensure the rejection of bottles after oil swabbing, before they enter into the annealing chamber. In the annealing chamber, the bottles are gradually heated and cooled to remove their stress and tensions. After the annealing chamber, the bottles pass through the MCAL machine, where body defects like stones, bubbles, and foreign particles are auto-inspected and defective bottles are rejected automatically. Next, the bottles pass through manual visual inspection against light as an additional precaution. After the visual inspection, the bottles pass through the M machine for neck finish inspection. This machine is equipped with 6 cameras located at various angles to ensure that no bottle with a defective neck is cleared for packaging. Packaging of the bottles is a completely automated process. Depending on the customer requirement, the packaging is done either in shrink wrap or with boxes. Option of palletized or non-palletized packing is also available for customers. To ensure continuous improvement in the quality of the finished product, both the Kusamba and Jambusar plant have a dedicated chemical laboratory. These chemical laboratories are equipped with the latest technology machines, like atomic absorption spectrophotometer from GBC Australia for heavy metal testing, UV spectrophotometer from Perkin-Elmer, Germany, for color analysis and light transmission tests, petrological microscope from Olympus, Japan, for glass defect identification, and WDX-RF from S4 Pioneer Brooker, Germany, for raw material and glass analysis. These state-of-the-art laboratories carry out tests on the raw materials and the finished products. Each batch of the finished product is tested for quality and consistency. Keeping in line with our commitment for a cleaner and greener environment is the waste disposal unit at both the plants. Here, the effluent is treated before it is released, hence avoiding contamination. All products that are manufactured are then taken to the warehouse for storage and shipment. All this effort and dedication has borne fruit. The awards and recognition we have received are witness of our commitment to quality and excellence. Gujarat Glass is an ISO 9001-2000 and ISO 14001-1996 certified company by Bureau Veritas Quality International, or BVQI. This apart, we are OSAS 18001 1999 certified company too. Moreover, we have been presented the Best Vendor Award by the Organization of Pharmaceutical Producers of India 5 times in the last 10 years, including the latest award for Best Vendor for the year 2006. Another feather in Gujarat Glass's cap was the allotment of the Drug Master File number 16216 by the US FDA to our company. Gujarat Glass has been awarded the Top Exporter Award for 3 consecutive years, and it also enjoys an export house status conferred by the Ministry of Commerce, Government of India. At Gujarat Glass, each and every one of us is fired by imagination. Every day, this imagination leads us to mold glass to perfection. An insight, a belief, and a thought can accomplish wonders. But it's imagination that can mold to perfection. Gujarat Glass, fired by imagination, molded to perfection.